Hey guys, this is Sam from SDS Bros Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up the junk in PC. There are several ways to clean up your PC. Uh-oh, not the physical one. So here are two ways I found out to be very useful as I use them on my daily basis. So first we have the default PC's way to clean up the junk. Here is the inbuilt disk cleanup thing you should look up for. Question is how to get it. So let's begin. But let you know, this is not a software. It's an inbuilt cleanup software you will get with your regular Windows or Mac. So when you open your PC with Windows 8 running on it, you will get this screen. And now type disk cleanup on your PC. As it is not an app, look up in the settings. You will see free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files. Click on it. On clicking it, you will see a window like this. You can select any of the drives to clean up the junk in the respective drive, but as default we will choose the C drive. And click on it now. For a little while it will be scanning junk files like temp files, thumbnails, internet cache, and so on stuff. After a scan it will pop up a window like this. You can see various types of junk that have been scanned in C drive. We have like temporary internet files, recycle bin, temp files, thumbnails, Windows error reporting queues junk. But before clicking OK to clean up the junk, if you want to deep scan the drive for more junk, you will see clean up system files option. Click on it for deep scan. Again the general window for selection of drives pops up. Click on the desired drive for deep scan and click on OK to continue. It will take little more time than usual for scanning system junk files. After a deep scan, you will see some of the extra segments like Windows Update Cleanup, Windows Defender, and when you install a new OS on PC, you will also see a new segment called Old OS or Previous OS installation files. After the deep scan, you won't be seeing cleanup system files option again. So if you click OK option, then you are good to go now. Junk is gone for the moment from PC. No worries now. Let's see the next best technique, which is an app we use for it. This is CCleaner. CCleaner is the mostly used software to clean up the junk without all the multiple clicking stuff. It just needs one click. Let's see how it does. When you open the app, it shows something like this. Don't sneak around all the stuff, but just see blue colored options. We have analyze and run cleaner options. On clicking analyze option, you will be having the amount of junk on your PC. And if you click on run cleaner option, you will be cleaning all the junk out of your PC. You don't have to multi-click on various options in CCleaner. It just needs one click to do so. But here comes the thing. What is the difference between these two techniques? Well, there are three differences you have to notice. One is you don't get the old OS files to clean up in CCleaner. Only the inbuilt disk cleanup software does it. Second thing is, Disk cleanup thing has default settings for cleanup of junk, except the cleanup system files thing you have to click on. But there will be multiple options to clean up the junk in CCleaner because it will give all the access of apps junk. Third difference is the time to clean up the junk. The time to clean up the junk in default cleanup is more when compared to the CCleaner. CCleaner does it in like 20% more speed than the default disk cleanup. So here are the two ways you have to try. So we hope this video made you to clean up the junk as on click. Please subscribe and support us for giving more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you all guys in the next video.